In this question, you have to match the items given under column 1 with those in column 2. Now, ultrafiltration refers to filtration of very fine particles having molecular weight less than 68,000 daltons through the Malpighian corpuscle. Thus, A matches with 4. Concentration of urine refers to water absorption from glomerular filtrate as a result of hyperosmolarity in the medulla created by a counter current mechanism in Henle's loop. Thus, B matches with 1. Now, urine is carried from kidney to bladder through ureter. Thus, C matches with 2. And urinary bladder is concerned with storage of urine. Thus, B matches with 3. Hence, the correct answer is option B.